Hi everyone, this is your Suhail and we are the Toronto Tamil couple. In this video, as promised, we are going to see what are the celebrations that were made in the first 2 months of your kids going to school. What are the days they celebrated, what things you have to buy for those celebrations. All those things we are going to capture in this video. Come, let's go. The first day is like on September 30. It is called the Orange T-shirt Day. It is the day, a national day for truth and reconciliations. So this day is basically to recognize the Canadian Indian residential school systems in Canada. So your kid has to wear an orange color T-shirt on that particular day. If you have an orange color T-shirt, then you can very well use that. If not, you can go and buy one. So something like this you can buy. We just bought some Halloween kind of thing. So you can make them wear. Some photos are coming for you to see. This is the first day wherein your kids will be wearing a similar kind of a dress, wherein like all the kids will be in orange t-shirt and they will be together, and some snaps will also be taken and shared to you. You can also take some snaps. So this is the first day that you should remember as part of the celebrations that start at school. So the second day would be a photo day. It can differ with each respect to each schools. Basically, they can plan in October first week. So we had on October 1st the school photo day, wherein people from outside come with all the precautions of COVID and they wear all the masks and etc. And they will be coming and taking your kids' picture. It is not mandatory to buy them, but if it's not necessary for you to like take pictures of your kid, then you very well can send a note to your teacher to not do that. If you are willing to do that, then you can go out and say you can take a picture for them. And this is something that they took for Ruhan, and if you can see, there'll be like watermark or something. And once the pictures are ready, then they will ask you to pay some money. Each vendor will be different, so it will differ. The cost will be differing for each one. It's up to you to either purchase the photos or not. If you don't purchase the photos, that's not a problem. You can also purchase the photos. So on that particular day, you can dress up your kid nicely and you can send them to school. So this is the second thing, or the second day that will happen in school's life in the first 2 months. So during these days, you can see a progress in your kid, wherein if he is drawing circles or something, as the days progress, you will see some pattern of change that's going on because of the tremendous amount of work that is put by your teachers. So this is something that Ruhan did in October month, a heart and a stick that was sticked like this, and he also did something like this, and this was a wonderful feeling. So the next celebration was like a hat day kind of a thing, wherein you can make your kids wear hats and go to school. It will be mailed to you on the particular day on which days the school celebrate hat day. Certain schools do, certain schools don't. Based on which school your kid is going, you will get an email for that. You can make them wear a funny hats or like a custom made hat, whichever is possible for you, and you can send them to school. So Ruhan was wearing some Spider-Man hat and he went to school. That was a good experience. And the next celebration that was in picture was the Thanksgiving Day. So in Canada, the Thanksgiving Day was celebrated in October compared to what it is done in US, which is November. So for October, it's the first school holiday. On Thanksgiving Day, it's a holiday for Ontario schools. It falls on 11th of October. And before that previous week, kids did something for the Thanksgiving for what they are thankful for. And Ruhan made some pictures for his mom that he's thankful for his mom. He didn't do it for me, no. So he's always attached to his mom. And also they wrote some poem, and also they had some work with feathers. That's what I'm going to show you now. So this is something like this, and if you see, some poem was there, and here if you see there are some feathers, and you can see he made with his hand or etc. It was a nice experience, and he said I'm thankful for his mommy. So I'm pretty much mad. So if you say this one. So the next important day was the Terry Fox run, which was happened on October 13th. Each school again will differ on which day they will be running for the good cause. So Terry Fox run is something like is to gather funds for cancer research. So basically, like they sell T-shirts on this day. It's like blue color. I will share some pics to you after this video, so you can take a look. So you can go and like purchase these T-shirts from school online cash account. I will also let you know like how to create a school cash account in the future videos. So you can go and get that T-shirt, and once you get the T-shirt, that money will be donated to the cancer research, which is a good cause, and definitely you can do that if you have an opportunity to do that. So this is something they did for Terry Fox run. If you see here, his photo is there and some art and work. So kids from grade 2 to grade 3 and grade 4, they had a 2-kilometer run. It's an optional thing that people like mostly all the kids participated, which is a good sign. I was there as a volunteer this year, and I could see like kids were running for 2 kilometers, and certain kids ran 5 kilometers as well. That was the maximum thing. And for junior kindergarten and senior kindergarten, they had to run inside the school campus. There was a ground, right? So they just ran a couple of runs, and it was a wonderful thing to watch your kids running for a good cause, right? So that was one of the important date as well in October. So the next event, cutest pumpkin in the patch. So can you guess what it is? Let's see what was that. So if you have guessed it right, yes, it is the Halloween day, October 31st, wherein like kids love to go out, collect candies, dress up themselves in different attires, different personalities they wish to. So for this year, Ruhan, it was his first Halloween, and he dressed up as a cop, and he wanted to be a cop, and it was a good feeling for us. But yes, so some pictures are coming your way. You can have a look. So you can dress up your kids as such, and there will be a Halloween day at school wherein like kids will go on a parade, and like the parents were invited to watch from outside as it was COVID, and you can see all the different kinds of costumes that kids wore, and it was a beautiful day, and we all enjoyed thoroughly. And it's difficult to share pictures of other kids, and this is the important thing that you need to know. Like all these celebration happened, you cannot share any pictures of other kids in social media, even if your kids, for safety and concerns. Okay, that's an important point that you need to like remember. So these are the things that happened in September and October, and hope this video will gave you a gist of what happened, and you can be prepared of it. Keep following us. If you like the video, subscribe, and there are a lot of more videos that are coming in your way which relates to the school and what are the things that are going on. There are some registration that has to be made. Keep in touch. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.